It hung above the kitchen fire, its barrel long and brown. And one day with a boy's desire I climbed and took it down. My father's eyes with anger flashed, he cried, "What have you done? I wish you left it where it was, that's my old Fenian gun." Curiosity awakened me, I looked it o'er and o'er. I placed it on my shoulder and I marched across the floor. My father's anger softened and he shared my boyish fun. "Ah well," he said, "'tis in your breed to hold that Fenian gun." I was down there in Kilmallock, 'twas the hottest fight of all. And you see I burned my arm, there's the mark still of the ball. I hope the boys that's going now will keep the ground that's won, and not disgrace the cause in which we held a Fenian gun. I remember '67 well, he said, when lads like me, we said we'd strike another blow to set old Ireland free. How foolish were our boyish hopes, I was months upon the run, but it did good work for Ireland then, did that old Fenian gun. I placed it o'er the fire once more, I heard my father sigh. I knew his thoughts was turning back on days now long gone by. And then I solemnly declared I'll be my father's son, and if ever Ireland wants my aid, I'll hold a Fenian gun. That's years ago, I've grown to man and weathered many a gale. The last long year was spent inside a gloomy English jail. I've done my part, I'll do it still until the fight is won. And when Ireland's free, we'll bless the man who held a Fenian gun.